Do you know what role does electricity play in human body? Humans couldn't use that electricity. Humans even could work that electricity because our masks need electricity. My name is Kostya and I will tell you about magnetic properties of electricity. When current flows through a wire from a very small magnetic field. That's good, but how to make this field bigger? To make it bigger, we can take a plenty of wire, or just one wire on something. Thus, magnetic field of every loop will be plus. We need this magnet to raise a bolt. To do this, we need about 70 loops. So, to do our magnet, we need soldering iron, resin, tin, isolating tape, wire length 15 centimeters and wire length 2 meters, hex wrench, battery, and switch. Now I will reel long wire around hex wrench.
2,000 years later.
Now you can see how it needs to be like. Next step is solder one end of long wire to switch and short wire to another output of switch.
A few moments later. A few minutes later.
Now you can see how it needs to look like. Next step is attach a short wire to battery and long wire to another side of battery. I will use for it isolating tape.
One eternity later.
I have finished. Now you can see how it works.